Imagine a giant online treasure hunt. Everyone's racing to claim prizes. But wait, who makes sure nobody cheats by sneaking in fake treasure? Surprise! There's a guard tower watching everything. In blockchain, that guard tower is called a node. Let's find out. Think of a castle with high stone walls. All around it stand tall watchtowers. Each tower has a guard, scanning every move to make sure the castle rules are followed. If someone tries to break in with fake coins or lie about a trade, the guards call it out immediately. The best part, there's not just one tower, there are many, all checking together so no cheater gets away. In blockchain, a node is like that guard tower. But instead of people, it's a computer that checks every new block of data. It looks at transactions, asks, does this follow the rules, and only accepts the ones that are correct. If something looks fake, the node rejects it, keeping the whole blockchain honest and secure. Why should this matter to you? Because without nodes, digital things could be faked. Your online pet, your rare game skin, even your digital money could be stolen or copied. Nodes make sure what you own stays real and safe. They keep the system fair so everyone can play, trade, or own things online with confidence. So now you know how nodes protect the blockchain like guard towers. Here are the main terms to remember and share. Node, a computer that checks every transaction to make sure it follows the rules. A block, a digital page of data that gets locked once it's filled, so no one can secretly change it. Fair trades, exchanges online that stay safe and honest because nodes verify them first. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.